Off we go, mountaineers.
Like true Slovenians on a Sunday morning, we're going hiking.
Let's go! It's supposed to be summer, Dora, what are you saying? Here's the main guy. Are you scared? She's scared. We are on Mala Planina, and now we are going to the Zeleni Rob. It's up there. It's Zhen here with us, and we are hiking. It's kind of cold, as you can see. So let's see you on top. This is gonna be the dumbest thing we ever did. We are going to Kamniška Bistrica with my guys and the Gatorade guy. Graga's gonna carry our water. So let's go.
Thank you, Gatorade.
Thank you, Gatorade.
Gatorade to get us killed. The night.
Full power, guys. Full power, guys.
It is approximately 5 p.m. It's 36 degrees Celsius outside, and we are bicycling around 15 kilometers to Kamniška Bistrica. Thank you, Gatorade.
Vamos!
Komentar.
Oh yeah. Oh, the hill is killing us. We are struggling. Another 5, 6, 7 kilometers and we'll be on top. And then Gatorade to power. So let's go.